guys, so we're back at building this rack. We're gonna do the upper level, but first we're gonna stand this side and build another section there, and then we'll build another level up here so you can see what we did so far. It's working out good. We got all these logs stacked nice. We got a bunch more logs up there to bring down. So we'll get to it.
Side?
Yeah.
Okay. That's nice. I like that. Tweakage there. All right.
A little bit of tweakage here on this side, but it's all right.
Like hold it.
Alright, so cut the tops and run our level along the string here. One of these line levels come in handy for this kind of stuff. Cool. All right, done with that. So now they're all level. Now for the third level. Well, actually we got to stack these first. Well, we could do the third level on these two, and then stack those, and then work from there. All right, I got some other pieces to work with. All right, guys, so we're done with the rack for now. We just got to make one more level on this side, but we're gonna leave it for now and see if we even need it. Probably will. We're gonna get to moving some logs and stacking a bunch of the smaller stuff on the top here, and then we'll stack some more of the big stuff on this second level here. And then after we're all done, it'll be a separate project. We'll put the roof on, and I want to extend this out maybe another 15 feet or so to have a covered area here for my trailers and stuff, so that'd be awesome. All right, so now we're gonna go and move some logs with the track loader. So dude is getting that set up, he's getting the forks put on, and we're gonna get to move some logs. All right, talk to you in a bit. Alright, so he's going to come in at a slight angle on this, and we'll try to roll it off onto the rack there. I gotta get up here. Alright. Whew! These things are heavy. Dang, these things are heavy.
I was gonna say.
Maybe you should have used the excavator.
Excavator.
But I think the rest of them were kind of smaller, huh?
Yeah, this is the biggest group.
Alright.
Yeah,
So we should put this big one on the edge.
Yeah, this one was a little tricky.
Move that little straggles. That was kind of... Alright, so done with this section. Just got a little bit of small pieces to clean up. And we got to move to the next spot. We got one big one here. Got a pile of small ones on the other side. And we got a big one on the side of the driveway over here we got to move. So that should be good for now. the goal is just to get this cleaned up so I can finish grubbing it here and grading it and smoothing it out and prepping it for grass seed. Yeah, we're getting these long skinny ones now for this pile. Probably about 2 loads out of here, and the rest I might just move with the excavator. We'll see. All right, almost there. One more scragglers to go, and that's about it. Show you this. So again, we're using blocks. You can see he's going to go over the blocks so he doesn't damage the driveway. So it's really important when you're working with heavy machinery like this. Anything over 10,000 pounds like that can crack the side of the driveway, so you want to be careful. Even less, depending on how strong the driveway is, how thick it is. I'd say anything over 5,000–6,000, you probably want to put some protection on the sides, just in case. But this thing weighs over 11,000 pounds, so definitely it will crack the driveway, and it has before up here, so I want to be careful with this thing. So the forks, they don't tilt back enough to go down. It's too steep down this driveway, so that's why we're backing it up, just so they don't fall off the forks. A little bit longer, but less work from trying to pick it up off the ground. All right, so we're getting there. A couple more loads and we're good, and then I can start clearing this with the excavator. I got to get this done today and tomorrow because I'm getting the excavator out of here for my first job, or my first septic job. So that'll just take a couple days, and hopefully we'll be back and I can finish up this property with the excavator and get it out of here permanently and start going with the jobs. All right, talk to you guys soon. All right, so we got a bunch of small stuff here. Getting there, almost full. Okay, so we're gonna get this cluster of smaller stuff here. I want to save this stuff. Some of the stuff that's all damaged I'll use for firewood, but a lot of it I want to use for pickets or fencing, railing, stuff like that. It's awesome. I mean, this wood looks amazing when it's finished, so definitely want to save a lot of the small stuff for that. like one more load, maybe two, clean it up at the end, and I can just use the excavator. You know, look it over here. There's a artesian spring coming out of the ground here. It's all soaked. So there's water seeping out of the ground. It hasn't rained in maybe 4 days, 5 days. So that's definitely an artesian spring coming out of the ground here. All right. Okay, I'm gonna get down there and we'll get this unloaded. How's this? So there's the parrots chasing the hawk away. Actually, there's two Hawaiian hawks there, and the parrots are chasing them away. Or they're battling.
The hawk went in for a dive.
Huh.
He's gonna take one of them out.
And the parrots brought backup. Yeah, so you can see them. The hawks are still there. The parrots are vicious. I mean, they'll come in packs and chase the hawks away. There's more of them. Okay, so we got one more load on there. The rest of it we can't get. There's a couple nice ones underneath. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the excavator up here, grab all this eucalyptus off the top. So I'm just gonna use it for firewood. And then we can get to the nice pieces of ohia and go from there. All right. All right, I'm gonna grab the excavator, come up, move some of this wood, and help Judah out with the track loader, and I'm gonna load it up on the forks for him. So I got this area cleaned up pretty good. I gotta move the roofing and move this wood here. And then I can finish this up and kind of blend the edge in. I'm just gonna go back and work this spot and try to kind of level all this out really good and see how far I get.